important goals, not only for big scope, but also in the small scopes. Like sometimes we really want to buy for these ones, but because we have a jobless or we have no permanent jobs, so of course having this seems like impossible for us. So after we get this with our own work, with our own money, so of course this gonna be big dreams, this gonna be big achievements, like really success to do something. So yeah, success is very broad or very big scope. So for me, yeah, for me personally, success, yeah, for me in these years, yeah, having getting scholarships, this is a success. Yeah. So I don't think like getting good job. I don't think like having a good car, good motorcycle, or even camera or laptop, something like that. Like many people want to do this, want to have it, but for me, like having a scholarship, I think it is very